to my channel again. And video के title से आपको पता चल गया होगा that it is going to be a clothing haul and it's going to be a quick clothing haul. So recently मैं Central गई थी and I wanted to actually buy some casual outfits. And I came up to this brand called Hey There, and I found the casual clothes pretty decent there. Alright. Okay, so before going ahead, this look is something that I have just recreated on my channel. You can just you can find the link in my description box. Please go and check out and let me know how do you feel or if you like it. Okay, so the first that I bought from this brand is a t-shirt. Now it's a pink color t-shirt which has a print on it, and it has pizza written over it, and it's actually embossed. Okay, it's a very plain pink t-shirt, and I'm in the size small, and I bought this for around $3.99. Now the material of this t-shirt is very soft and it is stretchable. That's why I like this one. The other one from the same brand, I bought this t-shirt. It's a plain basics again, black t-shirt which has London written over it, and again I'm in the size small, and this was for $3.99 again. It's very soft and stretchable, and I think paying $3.99 for this material is really good. Next is I bought this denim. I'm in the size 28 and it's a high waist denim. It costed me around $12.50 rupees, and there were other brands as well. You know, the denims were much more cheaper. I think one of those were Ginger brand. I think their denims, I could see that their denims were around 800-900, but I did not actually like the fit, and I wanted something in high waisted where I can wear with crop tops and it would really look good. And I really like the fit of this. And the other one is from a different brand. It's from BEBE. This is what it is. Now you might have seen the similar pattern in Shein as well, but I found this there and I really like the color combination of this one. So the t-shirt is the top is of blue color and it's in texture. It's a textured t-shirt with a nice orange and yellow patchwork on the shoulder part, and it was looking really good. I am in the size medium. Small was very tight for me. That's why I opted for a medium size, and it costed me around $16.99. That is around 1700. And yeah, that was the quick few clothes that I bought from recently shopped. So let's do a quick haul for you guys.